jog. Can I stay up and you sleep? Yay, then sleep. Just sleep, Mommy. Mommy, sleep. 'Cause you wanted me to stay up and you sleep.
I was enjoying your song. Are you going to sing to me?
No. I wasn't singing to you. I was singing to myself.
Well, can you sing to yourself? That's not very nice. Do you think that's nice? Road a po.
You are Rudy Pooty.